Hey guys, Nick Joseph from Nick Joseph Cars here. We have some very exciting news here. I'm finally revealing the sleeper supercharged 5-liter Mustang GT Performance Pack Level 1. It's been a long road, thank you. What's up YouTube? This is my 2020 Mustang GT 5.0 Supercharged. Let's see this animal. Roush Supercharged. Nobody really knows, but I'll show you guys. Rapid red, metallic. Let me show you. 750 horsepower, 670 pound-feet of torque. Supercharged Roush Mustang GT Performance Package Level 1. Come over here. You see I'm running 275s in the front, 5.0 badge for performance, and 295s in the rear to give me extra tread for that extra power. From this way you got the wing for performance, wing, quad tip, practically straight piped exhaust that has a Resonator delete with the Ford Performance Active exhaust system. Quad tip with the valves, the open and close. So come over here. 93 recommended fuel for this car only because it's tuned by Roush. So they said to put no E85, but in the future hopefully we get to put an E85, hopefully. Make 1,000 horsepower. Let's go to the interior. So this is the Supercharged Mustang interior. Follow me. We got beautiful, I actually put a boost gauge in right here. So when the car applies boost to the engine, it goes up. It shows you the boost pressure, PSI. We have the mode selection button here. Mode selector, my mode, Sport Plus, launch control track. We have drag strip mode, snow and wet, and then normal. And we have the active exhaust system over here. here. Quiet, normal, sport, track. You guys could actually click now above to see my exhaust video on this. You can see exactly how loud this car really is, which is great. You know what's the best part about this Mustang? Is that when I shut this hood, no one really knows that there's 750 horsepower under this baby. As you see now, the Supercharger just disappears. Just like a regular Mustang GT. Nobody knows. That's what's so great about this Mustang. Thank you. Hi guys, Nick Joseph from Nick Joseph Cars here. I have exciting news to share with you guys. I just actually made a Patreon page, link in the description. It can help support and grow this channel. For as low as $3 a month, you can help support and grow Nick Joseph Cars. Grant you access to the most exclusive car content, voting for the new videos, your input, and a community based around Nick Joseph Cars. And so much more coming soon out of my Patreon. Nice pictures of my cars and so much more. Thank you guys. Exclusive videos on there, before scenes, behind the scenes, and just so much more on the Patreon. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.